That photo right there, posted by Jett a few days ago now, with him on a bike, looking like he's going for a ride. And the question becomes, how healthy is he? Now, obviously, he had the same thumb injury that Tomac and Webb and Fevre over in Europe had. And the question becomes, how is he doing this in such a time frame? Like, obviously, Tomac has missed all of outdoors. Webb has missed most of the outdoors, came back, hurt his thumb again, is going to be missing at least, another week. And just, is it an age thing? He's obviously well younger than both of those guys. Is it just he's healing quicker than they are, or was it not as bad as it was compared to the other two? The question is just who knows? Obviously, he wants to come back racing as soon as possible and get back, up to racing fitness, speed, whatever you want to call it, for SMX and be here for that. But it's one of those things that is just, well, one, was the injury not nearly as bad as the other two? Two, again, is he just healing faster because he's so much younger? Or three, is he pushing things too quickly? I don't think it's the third. I don't think he's that stupid. I don't think the people around him are stupid enough to let him do it, because all you need is to have that thumb get injured again. You miss another month, or you go land and you land horribly because you have no strength in it, and it becomes a much bigger issue when you slam into the ground. I think it's just him being superhuman. It's not true, but he's a freak. I mean, you got to say at this point, most of these people are. They are the pinnacle of fitness, and everything they do is about training and health and eating right and preparing your body, sleeping enough, and doing this. Everything they do is to be maximum. There is no what it used to be in the 90s where everyone was just having fun drinking beer and going racing on the weekends. This is full 24/7 sport. But I don't know, you guys tell me, do you think this is a good idea? Do you think he's coming back soon, or if this is just getting out on a bike and doing turn track stuff and just trying to get some seat time? I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Hopefully I hope he comes back as soon as possible. Obviously, like I always say, more competition is always good. The more top guys you have out there, the better the racing is going to be, the better the production is going to be, the more fun it is going to be to watch. So hopefully he is fully healed and he's back soon. SMX is, coming up, and see what he does with that. But like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me, do you think he wins SMX? Whatever it is, comment, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see you all later. Peace.